We discovered when I wanted to renovate our walk-in robe that we had some staining on the floor next to where the shower was. So I called our plumber and he came out and did a test with the shower and found that we had a waterproofing issue, and he actually recommended Aquashield. From the first moment that Chris came to the house, I really felt confident that they knew what they were doing. He explained to me how the waterproofing membrane works, what had happened and what the process would be. From that first moment I had confidence that they were going to do a good job. We couldn't be happier. It's beautiful. It's better than what we expected actually. This is our first renovation, so yeah, it's just gone off perfectly. Call Aquashield, definitely. It's a no-brainer. Look at this bathroom and the quality of the work. It's just awesome.